An all-in-one PC gives you a complete desktop in a single sleek unit. No tower, no cable spaghetti, just a beautiful screen that does everything. In 2026, AIOs have gotten genuinely powerful across every budget and use case, from creative workstations to family computers. I tested 5 of the best so you find the perfect one. Let's get into it. New to TechB. We cover the tech that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Apple iMac M4 is the all-in-one that genuinely sets the standard the entire category is measured against. The M4 chip delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, handling everyday productivity, creative apps, and demanding workflows with speed and completely silent, fanless operation in a genuinely stunning, ultra-thin chassis. The 24-inch 4.5K Retina display is the standout, extraordinarily sharp, color-accurate, and vibrant, making everything from photo editing to browsing look genuinely beautiful. The iMac's iconic design remains the most attractive AIO available, coming in a range of gorgeous colors that brighten any desk. macOS integrates seamlessly with iPhone and iPad through handoff, universal control, and AirDrop, creating a genuinely cohesive ecosystem experience. The excellent built-in camera, studio-quality microphones, and speakers make it superb for video calls and content consumption. The whole system sets up in minutes with minimal cables. For anyone who wants the best all-round AIO with stunning display quality, silent power, and beautiful design, the Apple iMac M4 is the most refined, most universally excellent pick on this entire list. The Apple iMac M4 sets the standard every other all-in-one is measured against, and the price in the description reflects that genuine premium quality. Check the link below and grab it today. The best all-in-one experience, full stop. The Lenovo Yoga AIO 27 is the premium Windows all-in-one that delivers genuine power and a stunning display for users who want the best Windows AIO experience. The large 27-inch display is bright, sharp, and color accurate, with a high resolution that makes it excellent for productivity, media, and light creative work alike. The capable processor paired with dedicated or integrated graphics handles demanding multitasking, productivity, and creative applications smoothly. Lenovo's build quality is genuinely premium, with a sleek, refined chassis and a distinctive rotating or adjustable stand design in some configurations that adds real flexibility. The comprehensive port selection covers peripherals, external displays, and accessories that Windows power users need. The excellent built-in camera and speakers handle video calls and media well. Windows offers broad software compatibility across professional, productivity, and gaming applications. The generous screen real estate genuinely boosts productivity for multitasking workflows. For users who want a premium, powerful, large-screen Windows all-in-one with genuine flexibility, the Lenovo Yoga AIO 27 is the most capable, most premium Windows pick on this entire list. The Lenovo Yoga AIO 27 delivers premium Windows power and a stunning large display. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick for Windows users. Check the link below and grab it today. The best of Windows. Beautifully done. The HP OmniStudio X is the creator-focused, all-in-one built for photographers, video editors, designers, and anyone whose work demands a large, color-accurate display and serious performance. The expansive 31.5-inch display is the centerpiece, large, high resolution, and color accurate, providing the screen real estate and color fidelity that creative work genuinely depends on. The powerful processor and capable graphics handle photo editing, video work, and design applications smoothly, and the generous memory and fast storage keep demanding creative workflows responsive. The premium build quality and refined design suit a professional creative studio. The excellent built-in camera and audio handle client calls and content creation well. And the comprehensive connectivity covers the peripherals and external devices creators rely on. The large immersive display genuinely improves creative productivity, giving you room for timelines, palettes, and previews simultaneously. HP's reputation for reliable, well-built computers backs the long-term dependability. For photographers, video editors, designers, and creative professionals who want a large, color-accurate, powerful all-in-one workstation, the HP OmniStudio X is the most creator-focused, most display-forward pick on this entire list. The HP OmniStudio X delivers the large, color-accurate display and power that creative work demands. And the price in the description reflects that genuine workstation capability. Check the link below and grab it today. Built for serious creators. The Dell 24. All-in-one is the value champion that delivers genuine, everyday desktop performance at a price that makes it accessible to families, students, and everyday users. The 24-inch Full HD display is bright, clear, and well-sized for a home or office desk, handling productivity, browsing, streaming, and video calls comfortably. The capable processor handles everyday multitasking, office work, web browsing, streaming, and light photo editing smoothly and reliably without the premium price tag. Dell's reputation for dependable, well-built computers backs the long-term reliability that matters for a family computer. The clean, unobtrusive design fits naturally into any home or office space, and the minimal cable setup keeps the desk tidy. The built-in camera and speakers handle video calls and media effectively. The comprehensive port selection covers everyday peripherals. Windows provides broad software compatibility for the whole family. For families, students, home offices, or anyone who wants a genuinely reliable everyday all-in-one at an accessible price, the Dell 24 all-in-one is the most sensible, most value-forward pick on this entire list. The Dell 24 all-in-one delivers dependable everyday desktop performance at a genuinely accessible price, and the deal in the description makes it an easy family pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Reliable everyday computing, honest price. Closing out the list with the Lenovo Thinkcentre M90A Gen 6, the business-focused all-in-one built for reliability, security, and professional deployment in office and enterprise environments. The Thinkcentre line has earned a genuine reputation for rock-solid dependability, and the M90A Gen 6 delivers with a capable processor that handles business productivity, multitasking, and professional applications smoothly and reliably. The clean, professional display is bright, sharp, and well-suited to extended office work, spreadsheets, and video conferencing. The business-grade security features, including hardware protections and manageability tools, make it genuinely suited to enterprise deployment and IoT management. The robust, well-built chassis reflects Lenovo's Thinkcentre build quality, designed to run reliably through years of daily business use. The comprehensive port selection covers business peripherals and accessories, and the excellent camera and audio handle professional video calls well. The clean, unobtrusive design suits any professional office environment. For businesses, professionals, and anyone who prioritizes rock-solid reliability, security, and manageability in an all-in-one, the Lenovo Thinkcentre M90A Gen 6 is the most business-focused, most dependable pick on this entire list. The Lenovo Thinkcentre M90A Gen 6 delivers business-grade reliability and security in a clean all-in-one, and the price in the description makes it an easy professional pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Rock-solid reliability for business. Almost done. If this breakdown just helped you find the right all-in-one PC for your setup, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because PC deals move fast. If this helped you find the right all-in-one, smash that like button and subscribe to TechB for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.